When skylines fade behind smog. When rivers bleed from industrial waste. When ecological boundaries relentlessly retreat, we see the urgent race, safeguarding our planet's lifelines, demands action now. In this battle for tomorrow, Doing Holdings Group wields technology as our spear, responsibility as our shield. We embed green intelligence in every machine, driving innovation to redefine harmony between industry and ecology. 14 years of dedicated pursuit, from trading routes to a global corporate vision. Doing anchors innovation at our core. In the realm of machinery manufacturing, we redefine what Chinese excellence delivers worldwide. In 2011, embarked on global trade operations, earned Regional Export Excellence Award. 2019, scaled factory to 20,000 scum. Established Nigeria branch with overseas warehouse. 2020, formed Doing Holdings, consolidating 5 subsidiaries under group strategy. 2022, expanded workshop to 30,000 scum. Certified as National High-Tech Enterprise. 2024, upgraded plant to 40,000 scum. Now industry leader in production capacity. 2025, expanding global presence and reach. We serve over 120 countries worldwide through innovation-driven growth. Doing Holdings Group, 5 specialized divisions: environmental solutions, food processing systems, oil processing technologies, renewable energy equipment. We own many specialized equipment, addressing every production requirement, from prototyping to final assembly. A decade of dedicated refinement, from foundational fabrication beginnings to continuously upgraded machinery and mastered core technologies, building end-to-end precision manufacturing capabilities, forging profound expertise with streamlined operations. From R&D to production lines delivering 24/7 rapid response. From 3,000 to 40,000 scum, our smart factories power an integrated global supply chain. R&D, production, delivery. Making Doing manufacturing synonymous with quality excellence. Three core product lines: environmental solutions, oil processing systems, starch processing tech. In environmental solutions, our portfolio includes In oil processing solutions, our capabilities include In starch processing technology, our solutions feature nearly 100 patents standing testament to decades of innovative craftsmanship, 2,000+ tailored solutions delivering excellence for global clients worldwide. From workshop floors, hence precisely guiding tools, components expertly aligned, to offices, minds sparking synergy, plans seamlessly executed. From meticulous execution at Doing Factory, rigorous inspections upon delivery, to satisfied smiles as global clients receive our solutions. Every Doing employee embodies the "We Are Doing" spirit, with dedication and passion in every role, every day. We are masters of precision manufacturing and passionate pioneers pursuing excellence, bound by joy in work and shared growth. We empower every dream to thrive at Doing. Doing Holdings Group, committed to ecology, people, and global reach across 120 plus countries and regions. Driving the future, empowering industries with technology, connecting the world with doing brand. Dedicated to global leadership in comprehensive machinery manufacturing.